Cause me to fear thee as if I were seeing thee. Give me felicity through piety toward thee. Make me not wretched by disobedience toward thee. Choose the best for me by thy decree, and bless me by thy determination, that I may love not the hastening of what thou hast delayed, nor the delaying of what thou hast hastened.